Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lucia from Laughing With an Accent, and today I have Simply Gilded's April box to unbox for you guys. And this month the theme is Desert Dance. Look how beautiful the box is. It has some foiling and the stars and the letters, and it's seriously packed with goodies. So let's get into it. I don't know if you're familiar, before I start, if you're not familiar with Simply Gilded, this is a washi tape, a boutique washi tape store. They sell exclusive washi tapes. And you can see them on Instagram. They have like the famous bow washi that everyone goes crazy about. And she, about more than a year ago, she came out with the subscription, and I subscribed from day one, and I had to cancel for a little bit, and then I resubscribed when in one of the boxes she included this cuff, because I got the first one and they're worth $25, the value of the box, and I love it. It's my favorite piece of jewelry, honestly, other than my engagement ring. And then when in March she said she was bringing another one, these are $25 in the site. So I thought, well, if pay $30, you just get the bracelet and I get a bunch of other stuff. It's a lot of bang for my buck. So this is my second one since I resubscribed. Let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do it kind of surprised in case you are not familiar, but you probably are. I did some other unboxings on my channel too from past boxes. So this month we got a pouch. It says Simply Gilded. Has some foiling here. It's like a periwinkle color, light blue. And inside we get some goodies. And the inside is pink, and it has a Simply Gilded label. I have most of the pouches that I've gotten from them. I gave a few to my sister or sister-in-laws if there were something that I thought they'd like. So, speaking of the washi, we get, I think one is here. They all came in the box, but oh, let me start from the beginning, because this comes in the box as well. Is a product card. So we get all these items. There are a ton, honestly, for the price. So the washi this month was 5 rolls. We get a 10mm bow washi. This one has ombre, pink, and yellow. Mine has mostly yellow, some pink, and it's rose gold foiling. And I'm not gonna open it because I apologize about that. Sometimes what I don't use, I sell in the Facebook group. So this one I'm probably gonna sell because I don't use 10mm washi that much. Then we got a Crescent moon washi, and this one is so pretty as well. It has rose gold foiling in the stars. Then we got a 15mm bow washi with rose gold foil, and this one is kind of like a dusty, is it dusty? I don't know. It's like a blue going to periwinkle. And the blue, I don't remember if it's stormy or which color, but it's so beautiful. Then we get a simple line one. It has kind of like the colors of this sunset, if you can see there, going into that kind of ombre. And then it has a line in rose gold. And then we have the floral washi that it's probably like, when it's like, how do you call it, laid out, looks like these flowers. I'm probably keeping these 3 because they're so beautiful, and maybe letting go of these 2. And then this is separate from the box. You can add on for, I think, 5 more, or $4.50, the skinny washi. And this one is, I think, 5mm. And sometimes they're 3, sometimes they're 4. And this month we got 4, and this is kind of like a stardust. I can't remember how she calls them, but we have a light blue. I can't remember the name of this blue in her line, but we have a candy yellow, I think it's pink, and a reverse foil one that is in rose gold. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I do like the idea of this skinny one. Even though I don't use 10mm, I do like the skinny washi for some reason. And then we get a pen. I'm really loving the new pens that she's including. I'm not sure if she includes the one in every box. She might. And I don't have the other one handy, but what I do love is that she switched them to the ones that you can actually put the cup in the baggie. I mean, oh my gosh, wow. in the back of the pen, because some other ones you can't do that and you have to leave it hanging around. But look how beautiful this is. It's blue, like shimmery blue with moons and stars and rose gold hardware. So beautiful. Then we get a little package. She is not doing the inserts anymore. They were pocket inserts from day one. And I'm kind of okay with it because I haven't used them. I didn't use pocket that much, so I never used the inserts. We get a blue adhesive pocket with the moon. This one fits in the Hobonichi weeks. And we get a bigger adhesive pocket with the desert, with the roses, the flowers, and the moon here. It's beautiful. And we also get a plastic washi card. That's pretty cool. And then we get a notepad, and it says poke there in rose gold foiling. And this one is, we get a ton to write things. And we get our journaling card in every box, and this one says poke as well. I love the colors. They're very neutral but colorful at the same time. The rose gold foiling is stunning. I'm gonna put it here. And then last but not least, we get 3 sheets of stickers. I don't know when she added a 3rd sheet and if they come all the time. I'm not sure, but the last box that I got had 3 sheets, so she always included these like 2. And this paper is absolutely amazing, you guys. It's just like Patty from Planning Fancy said, it was unicorn on steroids. It's like I would say like a matte vinyl. It's so hard to explain. Doesn't smell like vinyl, but it's matte paper, but super soft. I don't know, it's just beautiful. So we have 3 full boxes here: headers, circle icons, checklist, celebrate, planning time. This one came by mistake, I believe, a full sticker, so you have to cut them up. Then we get 5 more full boxes, some headers, page flags, and some deco here with some succulents and stars. And lastly, we get a full sheet of deco, a small sheet, and it has some succulents, some potted ones. They say this one has a happy face. This one says water, self-care, grow, and feed me. So it's really cute. So yeah, this is what we get in a regular Simply Gilded box. Like it says, always a journaling card. The washi tape, usually always there. The pouches come sometimes, some others might not. I'm not completely sure. I don't think we got in a pouch in every box, but maybe we have. A pen, adhesive pocket set varies as well. The notepad, I think it's in all the boxes. Mini deco stickers and 2 deluxe sticker sheets have been usually in all the boxes. So here is April Simply Gilded box dessert dance. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.